I'm going to give you the best-selling book about removing toxins for free. What if I told you that toxins in your home could be making you sick? What if I told you that certain medicines prescribed by your doctor could actually cause you more harm than good? What if you were given a collection of natural remedies that big pharma companies don't want you to have? And what if you were given a list of natural solution recipes that could easily and effortlessly remove toxins from your life? Hey there, my name is Halle, Cottis, author and healing expert on a mission to help you remove toxins. If you want to succeed with improving your health by removing toxins, then pay very close attention. Many people suffer from the idea that they only need to improve their diet and exercise to be healthy, and that removing toxins aren't really that important, but nothing could be further from the truth. And if you're a person who wants to be healthy, then this is exactly what you're looking for. I'd like to introduce you to the Natural Solutions for Cleaning and Wellness book, which helps you improve your health by removing toxins. Natural Solutions for Cleaning and Wellness makes it simple for you to remove toxins so that you can protect yourself from viruses, bacteria, funguses, and even from cancers. Removing toxins can dramatically improve your health and well-being. These natural solutions are proven to help you heal and have been tried and tested to really work. Discover why diet and exercise alone can't create a solid foundation for good health, and why removing toxins is essential for good health and vitality. Get over 140 natural solution recipes that you can use today in your home and for your health, and much, much more. And what makes this even better? Now you never have to worry about finding natural solutions that are effective and easy to make, because we've put them all in one easy-to-read book. Which also means that you're not stuck feeling like you have to spend a lot of valuable time and money to get dramatic results. And best of all, you'll start seeing results with natural solutions for cleaning and wellness in almost every aspect of your life. And it's absolutely free. Yeah, that's right. I buy your book, and all you have to do is cover the shipping. You need this book. I wrote this book because I've been in your shoes, struggling to find answers to improve my health, and removing toxins is exactly what turned my health around. So again, if you're a person who strives to be healthy, understand this. Who has time to spend countless hours searching for natural solutions that really work? With this book, you'll have everything you need to start now. There's never been a more critical time to share this information. Making a few small changes can ultimately begin to shift your health in the right direction. The impact that removing toxins can have on someone at the right time in their life is immeasurable. It could help to change someone's health, improve chronic illnesses, and ensures that the next generation isn't worse than the one before. And the Natural Solutions for Cleaning and Wellness book from author and healing expert Halle Cottis holds the key to your success for good health and vitality. And it starts with removing toxins and chemicals. So join the thousands of people who've gotten their free book and get your copy now.